Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to create a manufacturing and supply agreement. For this task, let's click on the link underneath this video, and this link will take you straight to legaltemplates.net, where we can create this type of agreement. We are gonna click on business forms and then slide down to view all business forms. Right now, click on the left side, you have these 6 options. Let's go to service contracts, and it will send you straight away to manufacturing and supply agreement. So once you click there, we just have to click on state. I'm gonna go with Texas. And now, who is a supplier? For example, it can be an individual or a company. Then let's put in the address. Who's a buyer? Also, it can be individual or a company. What will be manufactured? Description and specifications. How do you want to describe the details or specifications of the product being purchased? Next, orders. Can the buyer place additional order under this agreement? I don't see why not. Warranties, confidential informations, also payments, also the interest. If there's some discount, if yes, place how many days before the due date payment be made, and what is the discount. Other options: product delivery, product acceptance, term of agreement, termination of agreement, default, miscellaneous, governing law. I would put the same. And also, if something comes up, how you gonna handle it, and then agreement date. When you fill all of these forms, you can preview it, and I recommend you checking it once or twice if all the information you put it are actually right, and then save and download. Once you're in here, you're gonna go with a premium free trial or a premium trial. I'll simply put it like this: if you need to create more legal forms, I strongly recommend you going with premium one. But if this is just a one-time thing, the free trial will do the work as well. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next videos. Have a great day and goodbye.